Hi everyone, welcome to VLSI Academy. Today we will learn more about placement of standard cells. In previous video we have already seen the introduction to placement stage, in which we briefly saw about what is done before placement, and then we also discussed about various placement stages. We already discussed in the previous video about different kind of efforts that tool is capable of doing to meet our design targets. The designs are so complex nowadays that we have a combination of different efforts in place, and at the end, as a physical engineer, we have to optimize the power, performance and area put together. In this video we shall be discussing how tool actually does the placement, or can we say that we are going to learn about different stages in the placement. So we will learn about placement stages. First stage is global placement. First stage is global placement, and then after the global placement is done, we do the detailed placement, and then third stage is your legalization of placement. So we can say that placement legalization happens, and after that the last will be fourth one is in place optimization, that is optimization of your targets in the placement stage. Let us try to first understand the first stage, that is global placement. Global placement is sometimes also called as coarse placement. In certain stages, in certain cases, it is called as coarse placement also. Here you can see there is one image in which cells are overlapping. So in the coarse placement, this is the snapshot of a coarse placement only. So overlapping of cells can be possible. Why? Because here tool has only took the approximate initial location. This is important, that it has taken approximate initial location for the first stage of placement. So this is not exact, and legalization has not happened, so overlapping of cell is also possible. It is just a approximate initial location, or you can say first stage of optimization, and that is also based on your timing. So generally it is based on timing for approximate first initial iteration, which tool does. Now after initial placement, what tool does is something called as detailed placement. In detailed placement, tool will put effort in legalization. So tool will try to do the legalization of standard cells, which looks something like this. Here you can clearly see that cells are not overlapping, and tool has put effort in legalizing the cells. So you will not see any cell overlaps will not be there. And while doing this legalization, tool will try to meet the timing. So tool will not simply throw the cells away, it will try to take care, you can say that it will take care of timing, it will not simply throw them away. Based on timing and other constraints, it will try to legalize the cell in the detail placement. Now the first question is how tool does the global placement. And how tool does is it will, let's say that this is our entire floor plan. So it will divide the entire core area, or you can say entire placeable area, into the smaller bins like this. And after dividing the design into the smaller bins, it will place the cells in each individual bin with certain density. So you can say that it will calculate certain density, it will have it inside, or you can also specify the clumping density, and based on that it will try to place the cells in an approximate location based on your timing. So this is what it does in the global placement. That is why the locations are not legalized, and it is an approximate placement. And generally up to 80% of the area is used in each bin. And as we discussed earlier, that after the global placement, detailed placement happens. And in detailed placement, major part is your legalization of the cells. So cells will go to the legal location, including the macros. If they have improper orientation, it will do the orientation of macros in a correct proper manner. And after that happens the optimization, which is a major part of the placement. Optimization means it will do the optimization of your timing, it will do optimization based on your power targets, and it will also do optimization based on your area targets. This all it will happen in the optimization part, in which it will try to optimize these three targets. The command in the synopsys related tool for placement is place underscore opt. So place underscore opt command, it will do the optimization based on your timing, power and area, and before that it will also do the placement. So place plus optimization plus legalization, everything put together in the single command is your place opt command. And if for some reason you have inserted from your side some newly added cells which are not there earlier, and you want the tool to legalize, and if you use place opt, it will take a lot of time for you. So at that time you can use the command that is legalize underscore placement. This will do the legalization of the cells which you have newly added. And if you want only to those cells to be legalized, you can use hyphen cells option, and after that you can specify those particular cells also. That is all for this video. We will see more concepts in further videos. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.